Hey everybody, on the tubes today, it's that time to turn on the central air conditioning. But first, the first rule is to clean the air filter, or replace it, and clean the grate that's on the bottom of the air filter. I could show you that in a second. The vent that I was talking to you about earlier, you take this tab down, you clean it, and then on this side, you could see the vent sometimes. Okay. So that's it. And then what you want to do, if you want, is go around with the vacuum and clean all your vents. Secondly, what I like to do is take the sides off. There's a couple screws. My model has a small screw for the top and a bigger screw for each side. It lifts up and it comes out. So you could do two hands to see if we could really lift up. Nope, sometimes you have to. That's not cooperating with one hand because I'm weak. There it is. Whoa. Pinched myself. That's it. And you want to just move it out of the way. And what you want to do is hose off all this stuff. What you should do, I should take the shop vac. I'll probably do that this year. And I'll probably just take these off, lift it ever so slightly. So let me get the shop vac. Well, we shop vac everything out. What you want to do is I'll take the hose. See how different that side looks compared to this side? What you want to do is blow it in and blow it out. Blow it in, blow it out. That's what you want to do. Now that you're satisfied that all the water has hit all the angles and you cleaned it out, now you can put it back in. I'll show you how I put it back in. Bring it in. It's on the track. Push it up. You get down a little bit. Make sure it clears the bottom. Cobweb and rubber. You want to just and then you work that around. Hey, we're all done putting everything back. Now this is what everybody's waiting for. Necessary precautions. What you want to do is always take a couple of steps, whether you might or might not have turned on or off the circuit panel. Unfortunately, mine is not labeled. So here's a 2-pole 40 for the air for the compressor. 2-pole 15, everything is on, and the air handler stayed on all winter. The second thing you want to do after turning on the circuit breaker is make sure that the disconnect is also in the on position. It is. On is the word that you could read, off is upside down. So it is in the on position. Currently the house is at 74 degrees and it's 336. So what do we got? It's been about 5-10 minutes. So you go down 66, but you want to go like in it. 64 in the office. 62 in the baby's room. That's just the damper. 61. Again, outside is not that hot. Downstairs. Now downstairs has, right there, the air goes, there's a big plenum that separates all this, big huge, and then it goes to these two. And then it goes to the kitchen. But it should all read the same. Outside's reading like 80, 75, 70, 80, certain surfaces. Let's see what we got here. On the side, 80 on the blades, if that's even an accurate reading. Trying to get on the other side of the blades. There's a gap right here. 86. So I'm satisfied with the operation of Rheem Air Conditioner 2020. Please hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.